idea. But I know why. Okay, let me think. Maybe it's because of the design. Doesn't it look like a wave? Gotcha. Henderson Waves. That's right. So the arrow is showing us to go this way. So let's keep going.
Wrong tree.
Why?
It will be there.
How can it be the wrong tree? Okay, you see the tree in front, okay? Okay, which one came first? The road came first or the tree came first? The tree! So now we build the road around the tree, so it's wrong road.
Wrong silly road.
Can you tell me? That one, that's right. So we're going to keep going this way. It's not really drizzly. Heavy drizzle. It's alright. Nothing a little water can't, harm us. Oh! What happens when it drizzles like this, in the sunshine? There'll be a rainbow somewhere. Yeah. Let's look out for a rainbow, okay? I think we're going to see a rainbow today. Hello. Okay, what's the sign? Can you see it? Yeah, do you feel like you're riding a wave? Like in the ocean, don't you think? Waves come around. Yeah, because of COVID, right? Where's your surfboard? I bet your wave is faster and stronger than mine. That's you see the island where there's a pillar, the pole? That's Sentosa.
So far.
Yeah, because it has to cross the water, right? Let's see if we can find a cable car if we walk the other side. That side. Yeah, I see it. I think that one looks like a bushy tree.
That one looks like
Are you going to get a tattoo when you grow up? What are you going to get?
Dragon with a fire bomb. Papa, there's ropes at the bottom.
What else do you see?
Let me check.
Why do you say peach there? The color of peach? Oh.
Yeah, the color of when the leaf comes, peach will die. So it's dying on the tree.
Oh, that's true. So you can see the really green leaves are the leaves that are alive. No.
Spring? Sometimes it's about dongo. It's too cold, not winter. Winter is super cool.
Yeah.
And summer is still a bit cold, but it's getting warmer. When the leaf gets stuck, you can push it down and it falls.
What are you doing? It's like a piggy bank. Have you made a leaf piggy bank? If only leaf was money, right? We'd have so much. Because we always vote with so much money. Okay, we just have to go down. I think we're trying to find a route to get to the southern ridges. The treetop walk, yeah, and then we're going to go a different way so that we can actually find lots and lots of saga seeds. We're on a hunt for saga seeds today. Yay! We can go to the one that says HortPark, yeah? Juice, sparkling apple juice. Don't you like that? Over.
No, I want sparkling water.
That's not sparkling water, it's apple juice.
No, apple sparkler.
You want that?
Yes. I tasted in Admiralty Park.
Oh, don't have. Only the blue one has. Oh, yum. Is it cold? How cold is it? Where are we? Okay, we're right here. Alcroft Mansion is there. I think we have to come down Maybe it's here. Oh, that must be this thing, the metal thing. Is that? I just saw something. I'm gonna show you some magic. Look. Look at that leaf. How's it hanging? Yeah. Ovaltine. Best way to get a kid going. Come on. You always have to find a million ways to entertain children. They're essential for a successful trip. Oh, look at that. You reached the top. Oh, you reached the top.
Then suddenly I stick all the way down.
Whoa, like a zip line.
Yeah.
Zoom.
Go here. That's crazy. That is so hard. Go one slip.
What's going to happen when you get to the top?
Then he will fall.
And then?
See, you slip. Yeah! See, I pull your hair.
That's not my hair. That's the ribbon. Oh my god.
You step on one, then you will, when it's hot, then you will not go.
You gotta check,
Yeah.
So these are not. So Papa, where are the real saga seeds?
Are we near? Ah, in the jungle.
Yes, there you go. There's a sign. What does it say over there? It says Earth Trail / Forest Walk towards HortPark.
Hi. Hello.
Can you see it?
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello. Walking airplane. That's it. When do you think it came on you?
When I was drinking Ovaltine, then when we were leaving, it dropped somewhere. I thought it dropped on the floor, but I dropped on my t-shirt.
Oh yeah, the birdie don't know how to aim for the floor. Okay, so normally we walk this way, but we're gonna go this way now. So it's the exit.
I need to go pee-pee.
Seriously? Oh gosh, come on, let's go find a tree. Is it safe? Is it safe? Okay, we're on the stairs going down towards the Earth Trail.
Whoa.
Hey, darling, uneven. Okay? So you have to be careful because if you fall on this, ooh, you're gonna scream. Yep. Big stretch. Okay? Hello.
Whoa. Hello. I'm at the bottom of you. It's a bit uneven. The rock. I saw something moving side by side. It could be a snake side by side like that. But gone.
So we're going down all the way towards the Alexander Garden Trip.
I'm doing garden.
Garden is there all the time.
Yay! Yeah,
Why do you want to ride the curly bike? Why do you always have to curly bike?
I like it because it's quite fast.
put numbers in. 1, 2,
Can we play for a while?
3,
Can?
4, sure. 5. Go grab some stones. Boing, 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 boing. Hacha! Turn around. Ah, boing, boing. Hopscotch on 1 and then jump to 3. 6, jump, turn around. Balance, pick up your rock, pick up your rock. Jump on the square, jump, jump, jump. Worm. I think it's the earthworm there, right? Looks like you can come down from here to the bridge. I just don't know what it's called because there's really no sign. We started at the base of Mount Faber and climbed to the top of Mount Faber, right? Then we continued on and we found the Henderson Waves Bridge, right? And we kept going, and then we found the Earth Trail that leads to HortPark. So we reached towards the Gilman Barracks and we're still going to continue to find the Earth Trail because we're still not done with the Earth Trail. We're connecting. The bridge is somewhere inside. Oh, there it is. Yeah, we're following the path of the bridge.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Can we go in? There's now. Bridge there. Every pain tells a story. Here. So when you fell just now, you have pain, right? So what must you do? You must learn from it, correct? What is the lesson you had to learn just now?
Not running.
Oh Saga seed, where are you? Nope, that's not Saga seed. Why don't we look at it? Nice and easy. Careful. Nearly the end of our route. HortPark, and this is our end part of our little walk for today. We're going to catch a taxi or a bus, we don't know yet, whichever we get, to get some food because we're hungry. And oh, do you want to show everybody what you got? That's all we got for our Saga seats.